Hello guys, in today's video I want to talk about how to see your friend's birthday on Facebook. In this video, I will give a tutorial using a PC and also a cell phone. So make sure you watch till the end. First, I will show you how to see your friend's birthday on Facebook using a PC. On your Facebook homepage, click the See More button. Then scroll down, click on the Event button. Next, click on Birthday. As you can see, here you can see a list of people whose birthdays are today, recently, and even people whose birthdays are coming up. The second way, I will give an example by using a cell phone. On your Facebook homepage, click the three-line icon in the top right corner. Then, click the Events button. Next, click on the search icon. Type birthday. After that you can see a list of people whose birthdays are today, recently, and even people whose birthdays are coming up. I really hope this video can help you. Write in the comments column if you have any questions, we will discuss about it on the next video.